this AI tool lets you create complete music videos with a single text prompt. Not only this, you can create movie trailers and videos also just from text. And the best part is that it's free, at least at the time of recording this video. The videos that you're seeing right now here on the screen are the signature videos that have been created using this platform. So let's check it out.
Use this website called Noisee.ai. I'll link it down below. Once you come to the website, you'll see this interface. So once you come here, just come here and click on Try Noise, which will give you a Discord invite. Once you open up your Discord server, just come here and click on this Generate MV Room. Then you'll see all these people creating their own music videos here. You can go through them or simply just come here in the message box, click on /, click on Imagine. And now what we'll do is first we'll create our royalty-free music. To create our music, we will use Sono.ai. Once you come here, just click on Create a Song. Come here and click on Create. Then come here and just describe the kind of song you want to create. You can give it your own lyrics or you can take the help of ChatGPT. So I'll just use ChatGPT to create the lyrics for my song. I gave it this prompt and how this tech is ruling the city, and I'll click on Enter. And just like that, ChatGPT gave me the lyrics. Just copy the lyrics. I'll head back to Suno, I'll paste the lyrics here and I'll simply click on Create Music. You also have the option of creating music without any lyrics by simply checking this instrumental box here. So once the song is ready, I'll just come and click here, copy song link. Now I'll go to the Discord server of Noise. And now here you see in this prompt box, we'll just paste the link of the song and you'll click on Enter. And then this message box will pop up. Here it asks me to describe the visuals to match your music. Here once again I'll take the help of ChatGPT. Just give ChatGPT a simple prompt to describe the video in a short visual format so that I can generate necessary visuals. And just like that, ChatGPT gave me this entire description. I'll just copy this. I'll head back to Suno. I'll place the description here. Now here we can paste an image reference so that the video can be styled accordingly. Now I'll head back to Midjourney. I'll just copy the image link of this particular image. Copy the link. I'll head back to the Discord server. I'll paste the link here and I'll simply hit on Submit. And in a short while, the music video should be ready. Let's check out the result.
In the heart of the city where the lights shine bright, a tale of future unfolds every night. Glimmering neon dancing through the air, a world of possibilities, but a future filled with despair. Oh, the city of neon dreams, where the future's not as bright as it seems. High rises reaching for the sky, but the darkness lingers, just saying goodbye. Just say goodbye. Lost in the
Actually did not give any proper reference to my Midjourney image, but the overall feel of the video was nice. Some part of the images were a bit hazy, so this was pretty simple. This platform also offers us the option to create video clips from text, the traditional format. So just come here and click on Generate Clip and just come here, click on /, click on Clip. Here you can once again just describe what you want in the video. Once again, I can give the image link from Midjourney. I'll paste this here. And here you can of course select the required aspect ratio and I'll click on Submit. And this was the result from my first video prompt. Now I'll leave you guys with some of the examples of the music videos created in the Discord server which I particularly liked. You can go through them and for yourself see the kind of work this particular AI platform can do. It seems really promising.
neon dreams, see the stars reflecting in your eyes so bright, walking side by side in the gentle tide. Words are few but feelings deep we cannot hide, and all the stars in your eyes, they guide me through the darkest nights. They light up my sky. In your gaze I find my serenity. Under the canopy of love we fly so high. With every step we take, the world seems to awake. In your laughter I find the peace I always crave. Holding dances like shadow the great shakes. Earthly visions all serene across chasm time. Echoes future foretold beneath gaze omniscience. Secrets laid bare, digital veil fading nerve centers exposed by the sea rose. Speak triumph, love's final breath. Lies beauty, existence. Alchemy, chaos, stars look on silence from thrones of sky. Celestial dance, obscure suns, revealing truths, ways unseen. Aftermath convergence, dances like shadow, the grid shakes. Momentary alignments, rhythm of convergence. Melodies to the moon. With every key, a story unfolds, emotions captured, words untold. The music washes over me like a gentle rain.
Melodies and harmonies, the ancient kingdoms belong. With each note a riveting story unfolds, touching hearts and souls, a sentimental journey where the piano's melody consoles.
That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you will certainly enjoy this video, which is going to come up here on the screen, where we have discussed as to how you can create your own AI app without any coding knowledge. Check it out. Thank you and see you in the next one.